Emergent AI is the fastest growing vibe coding tool out there on the internet right now. And if you are the one who want to build a real product using vibe coding, this video is for you. In this video, not only I will show you how you can use Emergent AI, but we are going to build a real product that can make money and can solve real world problem. Yes, a real product under 15 minutes. And if you watch it till the end, you will get 3 pro tips which no one is sharing on the internet. So let's get started. So the project we are going to build today is related to my own problem. Whenever I upload a video on YouTube, I also want to repurpose it. Like I want to create a Medium post, I want to create a LinkedIn post, and I want to create a Twitter thread also. And that's what the entire prompt is. Build any app that convert a YouTube URL into a platform optimized content, a Medium style blog, LinkedIn post, and Twitter or X thread. It should be extract key insights, use strong hooks, adapt tune per platform, and ensure clarity, engagement, and readability. Optionally include titles, hashtag, and CTAs. Output should feel human written and engaging. You can also build mobile apps landing page if you want, but we are going to stick with a full stack app because it's very suitable for full stack app right now. You can also select any model if you want. I'm going with the Cloud Opus 4.6. This is most powerful tool for coding. You can always add your GitHub here and push your code on GitHub, attach file and images. There are some advanced options like configuring your MCP and budget and all other stuffs. I'm leaving it by default. There is also an option where you can speak and give the prompt, like if you want to like do it things fast. Okay, once everything is done, hit on the enter button. Once you hit on the enter button, Emergent AI agent start working. Till then Emergent AI is working. You can click on your profile and check your all other settings if you want, like how much credit is left, account setting, language, connect to GitHub, and all other options. Here, as you can see, Emergent AI start working on your app. It will first plan everything, then execute one by one. And one thing I really like about Emergent AI, like for UI there is a specific agent, for backend there is a specific agent, for testing there will be a specific agent. Here you can see like more options, like you can deploy your application directly from Emergent AI. There is a 1 million context window available here. You can upload assets like images, files, and all the other information you need when you are vibe coding your tool. And of course you can manage your agents, right, and create mobile apps if you want. Like this is not for just for full stack. You can create mobile apps, you can create landing page. And the best thing I like about Emergent AI, it is not going to build random things. If Emergent AI is not clear and have some doubt, it will not assume, it will not hallucinate, it will not come up with random answers. It will ask you what to do. Like right now it is asking me which AI model should I choose, do we need authentication or not, how you want the output feature to look like, and design preference. Let me fill that out. You can pause the video and read if you are curious about all these questions. And these are the questions which make Emergent AI very cool, because after that output quality will be so much good. Now once you submitted your answer, it will start building based on your answers. Let's give some time and fast forward the video. As you can see here, there is a design agent which is working. As I said you earlier, like there is a different agents for every other task. For front end is there is a different agent, for back end there is a different agent, and for all other big tasks there is a different agent always. So it's very good when it comes to building production ready apps, right? Okay, so Emergent AI is about to complete our app, and we are going to see our first version of this app, how it look like, and we will test if it's really work or not. Okay, so this is the like first look. The best thing about Emergent AI is that not only it build app for you, but it always test for you. It will test all the functionalities. It is as you can see already taken the screenshot. It will like check all the functionalities, and if something fails, it will automatically reiterate. So you don't have to do anything, right? It's crazy feature. Here is pro tip number 1. If you want to save credits, don't use Emergent AI testing agent. Just stop testing agent and go and check it manually and then give feedback to Emergent AI. By doing this, you will save a lot of credits, because in testing agent, it consumes a lot of credits due to a lot of iterations. To be honest, the output is really good, but I want to do some changes, especially in the UI name, because I know the functionality will work, but I want to make it personalized for me. I don't want to give the name refinery and refining raw videos into editorial gold or something like that. I want to make it feel like it is repurposing my YouTube content, not something like the refining raw videos or something like that. So let me give the feedback to Emergent AI, and then we will test it and see how much good it is. Okay, so after few changes, I changed the name to Content Flux and video to viral content is headline, which is feeling more personalized for me. You can keep the default landing page if you want. I changed the previous version because I want something different, but if you are happy with the previous version, you can keep that out also. Now it's time to test it out, and if it's really working like I want, so let's paste my own video regarding to 5 free courses. I will put that video here and see the results. Okay, so it's done the work, and as you can see, it's created a blog post, a LinkedIn post, and a Twitter thread. And I really like the hooks, I really like the content. As you can say, it's really arranged. You can copy paste, you can always open the YouTube video from here, and you can see all the text, and it's crazy good. You can also check the history tab where you can see all the history of your creations, and I am going to really use this tool. I really like this output and this particular product, and I am going to use it in my real life to repurpose my content to all the platform from a YouTube video. And before ending the videos, here are the remaining 2 pro tips. Now you can use the OpenClaw inside the Emergent AI without any setup hustle. And the third pro tip is that if you want to improve your UI, please use screenshot from Dribble or any other platform, because when you upload the screenshot, the UI it generates is so good. Like the second version I generated, I used screenshot and that gave me a very good idea. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and there are tons of other AI related videos on this particular channel, and more is coming soon. So make sure you are watching all the videos.